What's my girl doing? Hello. Where are your feeties? Oh, quite cuties. Look at those feet. Not as cute as the face, though. Huh? Yay! She's clapping. Yay! If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. Huh? You clapping? Who's clapping? Yay! Who's my pretty? Huh? You are, that's right. Say, I am. Yeah. You're not making raspberry noises anymore? You're all done with that? Huh? What you doing? No, that's dirty. No. Uh-oh. Hold on.
Call from Lariat. Call from Lariat.
What are you doing? What? Okay, say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Yeah, bye-bye.